3 months into a year-long intensive community corrections order, Jake Danby back in the spotlight after the Director of Public Prosecutions filed an appeal arguing the sentence handed to the 24-year-old in September was manifestly inadequate. Danby pleaded guilty to hit and run causing death after he struck 2 Aboriginal pedestrians with his car outside the Hibiscus shopping centre in 2024, fled the scene and then sent a series of texts boasting about his crime, calling the victims dogs and oxygen thieves. Today, the DPP told the Court of Criminal Appeal the sentence didn't go far enough, the prosecutor arguing the texts should have been viewed as an aggravating factor. This was in the upper range of objective seriousness for this kind of offending, and part of that was the text messages. They may go to his state of mind, and we say that is firstly his rejection of his moral obligation to render assistance, and secondly the basis of his rejection was a racist one, at least substantially. Danby wasn't present at court today. He's serving 5 months home detention as part of his sentence. The judge who sentenced him, Justice Sonia Brownhill, acknowledged the texts were callous and shocking, but due to his young age, lack of criminal history and strong prospects for rehabilitation, it was decided Danby should serve his time in the community instead of a prison cell. Today, Defence Barrister John Tippett KC said the punishment was appropriate and warranted public applause. We don't sentence people on the repugnancy of their ideas. We sentence them on their behaviour that brings them to court. Mr Tippett said Danby had been tarred and feathered by the public and was the perfect example of someone who would benefit from an alternative to prison. It's not a lighter option, it's not a lenient option, it's a different option. The court reserved their decision for a later date, Danby yet to learn whether he will be resentenced. Olivana Lathouris, ABC News.